Guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can mute sound calls in Telegram chat. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So there are two options to do it. So one option is just go to your, let's say, settings from top left corner and the settings, and now just scroll a bit until you find this privacy and security option, and over here you'll be having this call option, and now you can mute it from here. So over here you can mute everybody. Now another step is just go to the channel or the chat that you want to mute, and then go to top right corner and then go to mute. And now over here you'll be having option mute forever, mute for sometimes, and all. You can do it from here as well. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.